everyone seeing this video. In today's video, we are going to make the model of our lungs. Now, the things needed for the experiment are some tape, 3 balloons, 2 straws, a scissor, and a bottle. Now, the procedure is take your bottle and cut the bottom of it. And also make a hole on top of the lid such that one of the straw can pass through it. Now the next step is to cut your straw into 2 equal pieces. Now I have cut the 2 equal pieces. Now take another straw and cut it diagonally like this. See, it's diagonal. And now cut the other end. As now it looks like this. Now take your 2 cutted straws and put it into ends like this. And tape around it. Now I have taped both of the straws like this to the straw. Now take 2 balloons and put them in the alternative ends and tape it. As you can see, now I have taped the 2 balloons like this. Now blow through this straw so that you can see that there is no air leak. See, the 2 balloons are inflated. I blow again. So the 2 balloons are now they don't have any air leak. Now take the bottom which the top is cut, put the both of the balloons inside, close it and cut the excess out. Now I have cut the excess. They have also taped it so that there is no air leak. Now take your 3rd balloon and cut it right here. Stretch it. As you can see now, I have taped a pink balloon. You will ask why? Because this balloon had a very small hole here. So I taped the pink balloon. Now put it like this and pull it. As you can see now, the 2 balloons are inflated inside. Now when I push inside, it becomes very small. When I pull, it inflates. When I push, it's small. Now I have also put tape so that you can there is no air leak. This also you can see more better. Now see, when I pull it, the 2 balloons get inflated. When I push, they do get deflated. Inflated, deflated. And this also is the same principle used in our lungs. The the bottom of the lungs are made up of muscular sheet called diaphragm. So this balloon represents the diaphragm. So when we inhale, the diaphragm moves down, making the lungs inflate like this. And when we exhale, the diaphragm moves to its original place, making the balloons which are our lungs shorter. And this is how the process of breathing happens. Please like, share and comment. If you like APPARATUS videos, please subscribe and don't forget to click that small little bell icon so you can notify when I upload videos. Thanks for watching.